Hey everyone, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Instant Pot Cajun chicken pasta. This recipe is a mashup of my jambalaya recipe and my penne with tomato cream sauce, and it is a delicious recipe. I'll go over the ingredients first and then I'll show you how to make it. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup chopped celery, 1 cup chopped bell pepper. You can use green or red or a combination of the two. 1 tablespoon of olive oil or vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of Creole seasoning or to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 14 ounces of andouille sausage, which is about 396 grams, cut into half-inch slices. Now this is a smoked sausage. It's not a raw sausage, so make sure you get the right kind of sausage. If you can't find andouille sausage, use a kielbasa sausage or a smoked chorizo. Half a cup of heavy cream, 12 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, about 350 grams, cut into 1-inch pieces, 4 ounces of cream cheese, cut into chunks, that's about 113 grams, 2 cups of low sodium chicken broth, 10 ounces or 284 grams of dry penne pasta, and a can of diced tomatoes, that's 14.5 ounces or 411 grams with the juices. The first thing you're going to do is heat the Instant Pot in saute mode, and once it's hot, add the oil. Once the oil starts shimmering, add the sausage. Saute the sausage until it's nicely browned, and then you're going to transfer it to a bowl and set aside and add it back later. You're going to do the same thing with the chicken. Saute it until it's lightly browned and set it aside. Add the onions, bell pepper, and celery, and you want to saute those until they're softened. You'll notice that those vegetables give off some liquid, and that should be enough to deglaze the pot on the bottom so there are no brown bits stuck to the bottom. After sauteing the vegetables, if you find that there's still brown bits stuck to the bottom, go ahead and deglaze with a couple of tablespoons of broth. Stir in the garlic, add the Creole seasoning, thyme, Worcestershire sauce. Stir it all together. Add 2 cups of the low sodium chicken broth. Add the reserved sausage, the chicken, and tomatoes. Just spread those ingredients out with a spatula, but don't stir them in. Add the pasta and push the pasta so that the pasta isn't dry. So you want it to be wet. Just push on it and let it get immersed in the liquid. And we're doing this to help you avoid the burn message. Pressure cook the pasta for 5 minutes, and once the cooking time is done, you're going to release the pressure in bursts. This avoids a big mess because when you cook pasta, you can have a lot of foam and froth coming out. So when you release the pressure in bursts, like you release and then stop, release and stop, that helps to prevent some of that mess. Open the lid and add the cream cheese, which I've cut into small pieces, the cream, and stir the ingredients together. The pasta might be sticking together a little bit. You just have to use your spatula to separate the pieces. And now you're ready to serve this Cajun jambalaya pasta. I think your family's going to love this recipe. It is so delicious. If you want to sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese on top, that tastes great too. Well, thank you for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time.